On the 2009 Nissan Rogue, here's how you locate or change the fuel pressure sensor. If you come in here, I already have the seat removed. I have a video on that, but you literally just pop up on the edge here, go straight up with the seat. I have a video if you want to look at that. So then underneath the seat, you have this cover plate covering the fuel pump and then your sensor. And then you just turn these so they fit in the groove and then slide that out of the way. And then there's your sensor. You might have to change the whole pump though to change that sensor, but you got good access to it here. And it just goes right on that underneath there. Turn them back and then put the see how it seat this kind of curved in underneath, and then reline up your groove to push it back, to push the seat back in.